10 coolest cars for kids. Hello and welcome back to MIA Luxury Cars. In today's video, we will talk about the 10 coolest cars for kids. Kids nowadays have it pretty good, and these 10 coolest cars for kids makes us wish we can join in on the fun. Now, let's get started. Bugatti Veyron. Get your kids a Bugatti Veyron if you want them to make a statement and be the talk of the town. This Bugatti Veyron for kids helps to reinforce the lesson and makes them the envy of their peers. With a custom development period of 3 to 4 months and a price tag of $50,000, it's evident that this is a toy for every very wealthy and famous. This kid's automobile has a 500cc engine that provides 40 horsepower and all-wheel drive, which makes it quite badass to say the least. It's described as a miniature version of the real automobile with leather seats for maximum comfort for the driver and passenger, as well as a rear spoiler that extends and retracts at the touch of a button and doors that open up rather than out. The car is built to exact specifications and is a dream car for every child. Number 2. Sphero RVR. The Sphero RVR is a programmable automobile that can teach your kids a lot about coding and engineering. It was meant to inspire the geek in all of us, including parents. It's simple to use and is intended for children with no prior coding knowledge. It has a complete control system and an open loop, so it can even adapt and learn from its environment, even being able to tackle difficult terrain with ease. You can even add up to pounds of additional accessories or build your own 3D printed custom parts. It works with Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android devices. The UART interface can interact with a wired interface, making it easier to program and utilize the Sphero RVR. The frame is sturdy and the drive duration can be easily extended by purchasing more batteries. Toyota Camatte 57s. Toyota's newest toy is a fully customizable car designed specifically for children that debuted at the 2014 International Tokyo Toy Show. Kids may even design their own hood decoration, which is then displayed across the vehicle's 5/7 detachable panels through built-in LEDs. The convertible is large enough to accommodate an adult, but it's also designed for children to enjoy. The Camatte's frame is tough and can withstand a lot of abuse, so your kids will be safe and secure while also looking cool. It's a miniature car that's almost identical to a real car in almost every way. It's 106 inches long and 51 inches wide, and it's propelled by an electric motor that drives the rear axle. Number 4. Drift. The Drift is a 1:43 scale replica of an actual drift-ready kit car and is a racing and drifting simulator in a very tiny container. Challenge your friends to realistic races on miniature tracks that will make you feel like a pro race car driver. Has never been so simple thanks to the developer's attention to real drift mechanics, real audio, and virtual tweaking capabilities. The business game allows you to race on the track and stimulate engine power of up to 1,000 horsepower. When you've had your fill of driving an actual toy around, a simply to want to brag about how good you are and beating the competition. The toy also comes with customizable circuits, allowing you to create your own racetrack to train on, simply downloading and the accompanying software on your phone or tablet. Arrow Smart Kart. The Arrow is a supercharged go-kart that is exciting for the whole family and handles like a dream. You may remotely monitor your vehicle using an app. With the touch of a button, you can stop or start the car, manage speed and set safe driving zones, among other things. Additional body kits make customization simple, and adjustable pedals accommodate drivers of all sizes. This beast is powered by 2 independent electric motors, and the pneumatic rubber tires provide maximum traction of a variety of surfaces. It includes a built-in GPS so parents can track its exact location, and it has a steel chassis for added protection. It even features obstacle avoidance sensors in case your little one isn't the most skilled driver. Number 6. Batmobile RC Vehicle. This remote-controlled Batmobile not only comes with its own Batman figurine, but it also features a driver's POV camera and a complete HUD overlay to keep you informed of everything that's going on beneath the hood. To add to authenticity, the toy contains real engine sounds and can even pump a trail of smoke out of the exhaust pipe. The super speed battery technology provides 30 minutes of driving time and only takes 30 minutes to fully charge, keeping you up and running longer than most RC cars. The wheels are all armored for increased protection, but the best feature has to be the remote turrets, which all swivel at your command and include an elevated mode for battery targeting accuracy. Number 7. Ultimate Lightning Mcqueen. Sphero has invented yet another toy. Lightning Mcqueen is a smartphone-controlled animatronic car based on the character from the Smash film's Cars. With the reverse mode and a battery that lasts an incredible 40 minutes, it's incredibly lifelike. At the touch of a button, drivers can perform donuts or deliver an amazing speed increase. The app has a 30-meter range and displays all information you need, like speed and remaining battery life, as well as an on-screen joystick for easy movement. Other choices include headlights that switch on automatically in a low light, 6 capacitive touch react sensors, and a means to have Lightning shout all of his movie-based catchphrases. Number 8. Auto Fabrica Type 0.1. The Auto Fabrica Type 0.1 is a miniature dirt bike that rivals its full-size equivalents. This bike allows children to ride alongside other riders on the track, giving them the impression of being one of the big kids. The 10-inch wheels add stability, and the shocks are comparable to those used on adult bikes, making it ideal for practicing feats. The structure have been lightened, and engine has been completely rebuilt to be a lot of fun. This little bike can even support a full-size adult if necessary, and it's made to take a beating and keep riding. Number 9. LandSpeeder. This, true to the movie LandSpeeder, makes anyone feel like a Skywalker, whether they're a devoted Star Wars fan or not. It was first shown on the Comic-Con International in 2017 and can hold 2 small passengers side by side. It doesn't hover like the original, instead relying on a set of wheels to moving it forward and at a safe speed while maintaining plenty of stability. And on our number 10th, we have the Power Wheels Boomerang. That takes us to the Power Wheels Boomerang, which can propel kids along at a reasonable speed or even perform donuts by pressing a button on the steering wheel. When drivers make a turn, the car tilts to provide the impression of speed while being completely safe. The all-wheel drive system gives you complete control over any terrain, and power lock brakes are another great feature. When in reverse, the Boomerang can achieve speeds of 5 miles per hour and even drive 2.5 miles per hour. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.